How to download Minecraft on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now at the bottom you're gonna find the option of search. Click on it. At the very top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in the app name Minecraft and then search for it. With that, game will appear. Click on it. As Minecraft is a paid game, you'll need to pay this amount. You'll need to pay $6.99. The price may differ according to the region. Go ahead and click on the amount. You will be prompted to enter your payment details. Once you complete the process, the game will start downloading. Make sure you have stable internet connection and enough storage in your device. Then, the app will be downloaded. Once completion of its download process, you can launch it, provide your credentials and use it. So this is how you can download Minecraft on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.